Let us be continue. I will take one more new transaction now. First transaction is goods of rupees 10,000 purchased from Ram. We have done this transaction earlier also. First, let us pass this transaction. Again, two things. What are two things? Number one, what we are purchasing? We are purchasing goods. And another thing is party. The another account is Ram. Goods is which account here? Real or personal? I think it is real because it is goods. It is not a name. And when we are purchasing goods, goods is coming or going? I think it is coming. That's why this account to be debit. And Ram is which account? Personal. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So who is Ram? Ram is giver. So what our entry becomes? Purchases account debit. Purchases account debit to Ram's account. How much goods we are purchasing? 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. Whenever we are purchasing goods, which word do we use for that? Purchasing. Narration: being goods purchased from Ram. Can you tell me, is this cash purchase or credit purchase? क्या ये नकद माल खरीदा है या उधार खरीदा है? It is credit purchase because name of the party is given. Now related to this, one more transaction is given. Goods of rupees 2,000 return to Ram. हमने राम से 10,000 का माल खरीदा था. उसमें हो सकता है कि the goods of rupees 2,000 may not be according to quality. Quality may be poor. तो we might have to return the goods. हमें वो 2,000 का गुड्स वापस करना पड़ सकता है. तो here we are returning the goods. Again, my dear, two things. One is goods and another is Ram. Just I told in previous entry, Ram is which account? Personal. When I am returning goods to Ram, so Ram is receiver or giver. So he becomes a receiver now. So my entry will be Ram's account debit. Goods, real account. What is the rule of real? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. When I am returning goods, goods is coming or going? Goods आ रहा है या जा रहा है? जा रहा है. This is which return? I am returning the goods which is purchased by me. मैं कौन सा goods वापस कर रहा हूँ? जो मैंने खरीदा था. तो we will give a term to a name to it, purchase return. तो to purchase return accounts. Instead of writing purchase, we will use the word purchase return. So entry becomes Ram's account debit to purchase return. How much amount of goods I am returning back? 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees. If you see carefully, just I am reversing this entry that side. यहाँ मैंने गुड्स परचेज किया था, परचेज टू राम. अब मैं गुड्स को रिटर्न कर रहा हूँ, तो मैंने एंट्री को रिवर्स कर दिया. राम को डेबिट कर दिया बिकॉज ही इज रिसीवर एंड गुड्स इज गोइंग. Which goods is going? Which was purchased by me earlier. So I have given the name to it, purchase return. In the same way, similar to it, this was entry number 4. Now this is 5th. Goods of rupees 20,000 sold to Mohan. Goods of rupees 20,000 sold to Mohan. What are two things there? Number 1, goods. Number 2, Mohan. I am selling goods to Mohan. So who is Mohan? Personal or real? Personal. I am selling goods to Mohan. Mohan is receiving the goods. Debit the receiver. So what to be done, sir? Mohan account debit. Mohan's account debit. Goods is which account? Real. And what goods is going or coming? Going. That's why I am using the word to sales account. What is the amount of goods I am selling? 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees. Narration: being goods sold to Mohan. Now related to it, I am passing entry number 6. Goods of rupees 1,000 returned by Mohan. Returned by Mohan. मोहन ने 1,000 रुपए का गुड्स हमें क्या कर दिया? वापस कर दिया. अगेन विच एंट्री? रिवर्स एंट्री. मोहन टू बी डेबिट. Mohan's account debit to sales return. To sales. एक मिनट. Sorry. Now entry will be reverse of that entry. Sales return account debit. Sales return account debit to Mohan. To Mohan's account. How much goods returned by Mohan? 1,000 rupees. Let us try to understand why sales return debit. One account is goods. When Mohan is giving goods to me, To me means I am business. The goods is coming to me. That's why I am debiting sales return. Debit what comes in. And who is the giver? Mohan is the giver. So today I taught you 3 new entries: introduction of capital, purchase return, and sales return. One more thing I will tell you: whenever you are passing these entry, dear friends, you will pass these entry into journal format. Journal format. This is our journal format. Journal format. Yesterday I sent one message. This first column stands for date. This is for particular. Here debit amount will come, debit amount, and here credit amount will come. These entries will be passing here. In this sum I am not giving date, so leave the date column. Like this entry I will be passing here. Ram's account debit to purchase return rupees 2000 and 2000. Then I will write narration and then I will write close it. Then suppose this is next entry. Date is not given, put dash. Entry is sales return account debit. Sales return account debit to Mohan. 1000 rupees. 1000 rupees. Narration I will write here, then I will draw 2 lines. In this way, whenever transaction take place, all these transactions are passed in form of journal entries, and these journal entries will be passed in this format, which is known as journal format. This journal is a primary book. This journal is a primary book. Journal को हम primary book कहते हैं. Why it is called primary book? Because this is the first book where business transactions are recorded. किसी भी बिजनेस में सबसे पहले जहां बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शन रिकॉर्ड की जाती हैं, उस बुक का नाम क्या है? जर्नल. तो जर्नल is a primary book where all the business transactions are recorded first. So today these 3 entries were there. Now I will give you a sum for the journal entries. Thank you.